Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. The dreadest challenge of COVID-19 is underway. Yesterday, from UT of J&K, 285 cases were recorded, were reported. The situation is turning worse day by day. It is better for us to remain in home confinement, and when we go out in case of any emergency, we need to keep proper physical distancing and also should minimize our physical contacts. We should wear masks so that this deadly virus may not enter our respiratory system. All educational institutions are shut. It is better to opt online and offline mode of teaching so that your valuable time may not get wasted. This class 11th subject political science, single transferable vote system. In my previous lecture, I made you learn the list system of proportional representation which is practiced in Germany. In indirect democracies, representatives are elected and representatives are elected through various systems, and one of the systems that is in operation in India is single transferable vote system. There are multi member constituencies in the same system. Parties come up or put up list of as many as candidates as there are seats to be filled in each constituency. In each constituency, voters vote on the basis of preference, giving rank to the candidates according to preference. To get elected, a candidate needs to get a fixed quota of votes. A fixed quota of votes. And this fixed quota of votes is calculated by formula quota, that is total votes to be polled but a number of seats to be filled plus one, number of seats to be filled plus one plus one. For example, if there are 1 lakh votes to be polled, and 4 seats to be filled. Quota means total number of votes to be polled is 1 lakh, and total number of seats to be filled is 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 1 lakh divided by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1. 5 ones are, it is 520,000. 1 lakh divided by 5, it is 20,000 plus 1, which means 20,000 plus 1. Votes are counted on the basis of first preference. If seats are not filled, a candidate carrying least number of votes is eliminated and his votes are redistributed among the candidates of second preference until the seats are filled. Dear students, this system of representation, we have in the upper house of the parliament when we elect Rajya Sabha members, and also in the legislative council of states. It is the whole system. It is a tough little bit. Books are available with you. Some good reference books of political sciences are available in the market. You need to buy one or two and should see these things on your books also, so that you will grasp the things well. Or if any query raises in your mind, you can call me on this number, that is 7006 671106, or WhatsApp me on the same number, or mail me kgm38864@gmail.com. Your query should be answered, inshallah, within the seconds. Before leaving my class, I am advising you to remain inside your homes so that this infection may not reach to you. Take care and be blessed. Thanks.